Hello guys, do you know you can easily make your own amala at home? In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my own at home. It's very easy to do, so if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. So here is the green plantains that I'm going to use for this recipe. I will go ahead, wash them up, dry them up and take off the peels. So the next step, I'll go ahead and slice them into a very tiny slices. This will make the plantain to dry very fast. So guys, we are in summer here. So I'm taking advantage of the sun to dry a lot of plantains so that during the winter I will have enough to eat. So that is how I normally do every summer. So you can also do it as well. Dry your own and keep it in your kitchen counter. It can be useful during winter. So guys, as you can see, I've finished slicing all the plantains. I'm just going to spread them in my tray. Then I'll put it outside my kitchen for them to dry. Actually, I dry this plantain for 2 days because you want them to dry properly. So as you can see, this is outside my kitchen. I just leave them there to dry. And here is the end result. As you can see, it's very dry. So the next step now, I'll go ahead and blend them into a smooth powder. And you need a very good blender to do this process. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this moment, I really appreciate you guys. Please guys, if you know you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to do that. That is just the only way to support this channel, and that will help this channel to grow. So I really appreciate you guys if you do that. So now, as you can see, I've almost finished blending them. Then now I'm going to sieve the amala so that if there is any lumps or any little pieces that is not smooth, I just want to make sure to sieve those one out. And as you can see, those ones I'm just going to throw them away. So guys, this is the end result. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.